lions are sleeping.
Onion, there's more than one.
Everyone stay on the cart and hold on tight!
Hey, I won't play with you. Don't blame me. I didn't cheat. You just lost.
You changed the rules. That's why you won.
Oh, really? Then learn the rules before you play. Enough, you two. Get ready. We're going to Grandma's house.
Grandma's house? Really, Mum? Today? I'm ready. Come on, Grandma is waiting.
Not so fast, sweetheart. You're not visiting Grandma covered in mud. A little surprise for both of you. Open them.
A new dress! Dad, I love it! I'm wearing it right now.
Those two never stop. Were we really that bad?
You were worse, but that's exactly why I fell for you.
Onion, look at them! Why is everyone running?
Stay close to me. Whatever scared them, it's coming this way.
Get inside! The lions are out of the forest! Radish, get the children! We're going inside now!
Dad, why is everyone running? What happened?
Inside, Potato! This isn't a game anymore.
Mum, what's happening? Why is everyone so scared? Stay close to me, sweetheart. Whatever happens, we stay together.
Dad, tell me the truth. What's out there?
Lions, son. Until they're gone, nobody opens that door.
Dad, is there really a lion outside our house?
Stay behind me. Nothing is getting near this family.
Dad, are the lions really outside our house?
Yes. Nobody opens that door until I say it's safe.
Don't worry, Carrot. I'm not scared of any lion. Really? Then why are your knees shaking? I thought you weren't scared. I'm not. I was protecting Dad from behind. Mum! Something just moved past the window.
Stay close to me and keep away from that window. Onion, please be careful.
I will. Get the children upstairs. Stay together.
Under the bed, quickly. Stay close to me.
Mum, what if they come inside? I don't want to see a lion anymore. Me neither. I've seen enough from under here. Wait, didn't you say you weren't scared of lions?
That was before one came to our window.
Dad! Someone's at the door!
Nobody moves until I know who it is.
Chili! What are you doing out there? Relax. They're gone. I watched them go back to the forest.
You really saw them? How big were they? Enormous!
Giant paws, huge eyes, and teeth bigger than my hands.
I saw one too, and I wasn't scared at all. I didn't see one. Can we go find them?
No!
If we leave now, we can reach Grandma's before dark.
After what happened today, are you sure we should go?
The lions are gone. We'll take the old farm road.
All right, but the children stay beside us the whole way.
Grandma, here we come! Tell the bullock to hurry. I'm getting hungry.
Come on, Carrot! Race you to Grandma's house.
Potato, we're sitting on the same cart. Why has everything suddenly gone so quiet?
Stay calm. We'll be through the forest soon.
Come on, boy. Why did you stop?
Dad, I think he sees something.
Carrot, don't move. Something's watching us.
Something's watching us. Please tell me that's Chili playing another joke. Onion, there's more than one.
Everyone stay on the cart and hold on tight!
Dad! We're going too fast!
Hold on! Nobody lets go!
Keep your heads down! Don't look back! Mum, I looked! They're still back there!
Mum said, don't look, look!
Then how will we know when they stop?
We made it. Everyone's safe.
Dad, next time, can Grandma visit us?
There are my babies. Finally!
Grandma! We made it!
Come here. Let me look at both of you.
Grandma, we nearly didn't make it.
Nearly didn't make it? Why are you so late?
Traffic.
Traffic? In the middle of the countryside?
Very big, very furry traffic.
Grandma, are 20 people coming for dinner?
No, sweetheart. Just you.
Just me? Then I'd better start immediately. Leave some pudding for the rest of us. Mum, can we please go swimming in the river? Please. We'll stay where you can see us.
What do you think? Is it safe?
The weather looks perfect. All right, we'll go together.
Yeah! Last one to the river is a rotten cabbage. Not this time. I'm winning. Got you. You're too slow. That's for calling me a cheater yesterday.
Onion, come and look at this.
What is it, Mum?
This river doesn't move like that without a reason.
Potato! Carrot! Come closer to the bank!
Dad, the water's getting higher.
Both of you, out of the river, now!
Onion, look upstream!
That's flood water! Get the children out! Flood! Everyone move!
Potato! Carrot! Straight to the hill!
Mum, it's coming this way.
Don't stop, sweetheart. Keep moving.
Dad, the whole field is flooding.
Forget the field! Keep climbing!
My cottage.
Grandma, is the water going there too? Grandma, your house!
Everyone stay here. This flood isn't finished yet.
My house! The water's already reached it!
Forget the house! We need to get higher!
Dad, we can't leave the calf there.
Stay with Mum. I'll get it out. Come on! Why won't this gate open?
Onion, hurry! The water's still rising.
Dad, stop pulling. The latch is stuck.
Where? Show me.
I got it! Open the gate.
Good work! Now step back.
You saw what I missed. That was brave, son.
I couldn't just leave him there, Dad.
Dad! Look at the cart!
Wait, why is it moving?
Dad, how are we going home now?
I don't know yet, but we're not staying beside this water.
Where does that road lead?
Back to the village, through the forest.
There's another road.
Not one that gets us home before nightfall.
The bridge is gone. How are we supposed to get home?
We walk.
All the way? With my own feet?
Unless you've secretly grown wings overnight.
Take this. It's a long road, and nobody travels hungry.
That bag is definitely staying with me.
Stay close to your mum and dad. No adventures today.
Next time, Grandma, you come to our house.
After this weekend? Definitely!
Good. And bring the apple pudding. Maybe the lions are sleeping. You had to say it.
Everyone inside! Quickly!
Children, stay right beside me! Potato, is it big?
Big enough, trust me.
Move over. I want to see it.
Yesterday you were crying because you did see one.
Not one sound. Understand?
I suddenly don't need to see it anymore.
It's clear. Let's get out of this forest.
Best idea you've had all day!
Home! We actually made it!
Wait, where is everyone?
Dad, it's still standing.
That's all that matters. We can fix everything else.
Potato! Where have you been? Chili! You won't believe what happened!
Lions, a flood, a lost cart, a rescued calf, and another lion.
You're joking, right?
Tell me one thing. Did Potato cry? No! Not even once!
Yes, he did.
Carrot! We agreed never to discuss that!
After everything that happened, do you know what matters most?
Getting home?
Getting home together.
Yeah, I think I finally understand that.
And next weekend, we are staying right here.
Best idea you've had all week.
Want to go outside and look?
Don't even think about it!
I've been brave enough for one weekend.
Finally, something we all agree on.